All right, guys, they're asking for certifications when it comes to web development jobs. Let's get into it. It's your boy Joe back at it again, CodingPhase.com. Your boy's back and I done did it again one more time. Now, this time around, this is the topic, okay? We know that was coming at some point, but not this soon. God damn it, damn. Now, guys, why am I bringing this topic up? All right, I'm seeing companies that's reaching out to us at CodingPhase.com to verify that students have actually completed the courses that they said that they did, and asking if there's a certification for this or some type of proof that they have completed this. Now, why are they doing this? It's very simple. There's a lot of people that's applying to jobs that's really not prepared to be applying to these jobs and flooding the market, okay? So now companies are going out of the way to see, how can they verify if this person really have the skills before they go to the next round or before they even go to the final stage where they're trying to figure out if this person is going to get hired or not, right? Because even if you have the skills, right, you have to understand sometimes, some of these companies, they have requirements. I mean, if you work for the government, there might be some jobs that you have to be a citizen. You might have to have a secret clearance, right? You might have to have a clean record where, no criminal offense. You might even have a drug test, right? And then there's some companies that now they're like, okay, we want to verify before we even go, out of our way to make sure that this person has the skill before we pass them to, the big boys, right? The person who's going to decide if this person's going to go in and get hired. Okay. Now, we actually seen this from a couple of companies, right? This is just two of them that have, been mentioned here on the channel. We got Sony, right? And we have Carnival Cruise. This is two of the companies that have actually contacted us to verify if the students have actually completed this courses and what skills they have. Now, I'm bringing this up for you guys. If you are in a boot camp, an online boot camp, online training, find out if there's a contact that if a company needs to verify that you have taken those courses or that you have that training. Find out if they have a contact email or a contact number, like something to verify. Now, this is the information that they're going to mostly ask for. Now, by the way, we already implemented this to CodingPhase.com because, to be honest with you, I'm tired of doing this manually. Right? So now we're going to go in and have this literally done automatically, meaning that you have to come in to CodingPhase. If you are a Diamond member, go in. Click on certificates. After you click on certificates, the section here, right? You're going to see email developer career path if you have already added one. But to request a new one, just come in, click certificate. Let's say AI automations. You look at what's in here. We have all the information that you're going to need for us to go in and verify it. We need to know that you have the skills, and we need to go through your courses to see if you completed the majority of the core courses inside of the program. Okay. Now, again, there's some courses where someone might come in from another online course or another training from somewhere, or maybe they've just been coding their whole life. Let's say, for example, HTML and CSS, like they already know this thing, right? We can go in and say, hey, by looking at this person's portfolio and the skills that they have, we can vouch for you on that end. But you still have to take the core courses that's inside of that career path. All right, so just keep that in mind for anybody that is coming to CodingPhase. All right, so like I said, it's very simple, easy process. You come in, you put in your portfolio right here so we can go in and look at your projects. You need at least 2 projects related to the actual career path so we can validate your work. All right, just in case we deny giving you the certificate is because your portfolio projects do not demonstrate that you have the skill. We are not going to give you the certificate unless we know you can do the job. Okay, this is not a pay to win situation. Our company's name is worth a lot of money, so we want to make sure that when a student from us, CodingPhase.com, goes to that company again, they don't say, damn, this guy just came from CodingPhase. They garbage in there, man. They just let anybody in, right? They verify anybody. We don't want to do that. But the cool thing about it is that we give you notes and what you have to fix and what you have to do. So this is a great way. If you're still having like your, let's say your portfolio, you're still working on it, you can put your request there and we will give you that feedback on what you need to fix. There's a lot of stuff in here. Show you guys how this looks. This is the link that it would generate for you. And this is your certificate link. This is a link that you can put on LinkedIn. You could put it on Indeed. You can put it on Glassdoor. You could also go and give this directly to the company that's doing the background check on you, and they will come to this URL. And here it has your name. It has the career path that you have completed, when it was issued, expiration date, credential ID. Okay. Also, too, you have all the courses that you have completed within this career path. I'm sharing this with you guys. If wherever you're going to, you're taking an online course, they're not providing any of this, guess what? It's a red flag now. Okay. You have your certificate. You could download the picture. You could also download the PDF file if you want to go and get that printed. It's up to you what you want to do with it. But you want to have a place that can verify that you have taken that online training. If you don't have that, you might be in trouble in some companies. Now, I'm not saying this for every company, because there's other students that have came to CodingPhase.com where the companies, they're not contacting us, right? They're not going out of their way. But when you go into some of these corporate companies, right? We're talking about Sony, we're talking about Carnival Cruise Line. These are pretty big companies, right? This is not your local digital agency. This is, again, this is a different level. They might be asking for this. So you want to make sure that if you are going to apply to some of these companies, you already have this set up and that you have some type of proof that, you have done this. Okay. I want to give a big shout out to the 2 students that already got through and did the certification. Okay. Bryce Rippey. Okay. He's ready to go. Email developer, content editor, web administrator, great portfolio, great projects. Okay. Everything here looks nice, clean, right? Very nice emails. All right. He's killing it. So yes, we went in and we verified that yes, this person has completed all the courses and they're ready to go. Same thing for Lansbury David, another web producer, email developer. This is the starting point. Remember, there's a bunch of different career paths that you could get into in CodingPhase.com, but these are the ones that we recommend for people to get their first job. If you are going in this job market, you need to make sure that there's somebody, a company, a service, something that can verify that you have this training. There's companies that will be asking for this. All right. So if you're going to whatever service you're going to, make sure that they have, the certifications ready to go and they have a contact number. This is the thing that you get when you come to CodingPhase. A lot of people come in and they just sell an online course. We don't do that. We help people get into a career. We help people learn skills that's going to help them get a job. You could go to Udemy right now. You buy a $10 course. Good luck with it. No one cares if you actually took the course. No one cares if you completed it. No one looks at your work. This is the difference at CodingPhase.com. We go out of our way to make sure to provide to our students every single little thing that's required by companies. Why we didn't have this before? Because companies wasn't asking for it. Now that they're asking for it, we have to make sure we provide that to the students. Okay. So not only are you getting the portfolio template, you get the online courses, the career path, the resume builder, the job board. You now have the certification and a place that you can say, hey, these people can validate my work and the skills that I have. All right, guys. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up and letting you guys know exactly what's going on right now. Whenever we see something new happening and some movement in the industry, we're going to let you guys know. All right. So yes, guys, like I said, if you want to come to CodingPhase.com, you can definitely come in, take advantage. It's literally $30 a month. Okay. We provide you a lot for just those $30. And right now we're about to raise the prices. As you can see, more features, more things that we have to do. It comes with a price. So I'm going to see you guys later. It's your boy Joe back at it again, CodingPhase.com.